It is quite dirty. First of all, I will need a vacuum cleaner. Hi to everyone. This time it's time for cleaning the seats. I would like to show you what I got recently, and this is a Repsol spray for the upholstery cleaning. So it is very useful, I think, also for the car seats. In fact, the use it's very simple. We just spray on the seats, wait a bit, some seconds, and then we just wipe it. So to wipe it we need a piece of clothing. It is very good to have a soft piece of clothing, a cotton one or something similar, and just to wipe it after. So in my opinion, this is a great product. This is not a paid video. I just got it for free when I bought a kidney belt in a very well-known store in Ljubljana, or around Ljubljana, let's say, to be honest. And they just gave me this as a gift. So right now I'm gonna do it for the first time. I have the textile seats inside my car, and let's go and see what the result is gonna be. Let's go, guys. And now that it's done, I will just have to wait for the seats to be dry. It was a spot of dirtiness, and now it's clean, as we can see. This was all, guys. The results are good, and in my opinion, where there are spots of dirtiness, you just have to use this twice. So repeat the process. Overall, it is a good product, and it's not cheap, but this is up to you. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do me a favor and subscribe, and see you in the next one.